We are near to the village of Rilla Mill to see this fantastically sized 2 double-bedroom bungalow. It really has got plenty of space. So fantastic views. There's parking for several vehicles on this driveway. So it also has a garage which is integral. The field beside it is not part of the property. I'll show you the garden first. So there is plenty of garden here, lots to get stuck into if you're a keen gardener. It really is a lovely location, not far at all from the main village, but in a very tranquil setting. So as you can see here, plenty to look after. So the field next to it, just here, really is spectacular. And there's a little side area there which houses the air source heat pump. Also has a washing line, so nice area to put your washing out there. So let's take you inside. So amazingly, this property has an energy performance rating of an A. So very, very rare to see that. So you've got an outside tap here, also another on the other side. And we're entered through this little vestibule. So I'll firstly show you into the garage. So it's also got this side door, which is great. There's power and light. Has a little outside loo and also a log store. As we lead through. So this rear door here is out to that area that I mentioned, washing line out the back. So now as we lead into the main part of the bungalow, we're entered via a utility room. Space for washing machine and so on. This is your main kitchen. The windows all around, just spectacular. So I mentioned that it's air source heating. There's solar panels on the roof. There is private drainage here, and the water fair use is included. So this room is absolutely humongous. All the windows there that I mentioned. Has a wood burner as well. So leading through here, there is actually in the utility room a shower room, so that's very handy there. So this is your hallway. Going into the hobby room, might be an office room. Plenty of opportunity there, so that leads straight into the garden. You might use that as your main door, who knows. Cupboard just to our left. Now this takes us into the bathrooms and the bedrooms. Another cupboard, they're all link into one big cupboard. So bathroom here has bath and a little sink, and then we have a separate WC here. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. Obviously plenty of wardrobe space. Just look at that fantastic view there. So 2 massive wardrobes. And finally, I'll show you into the master. It's absolutely humongous. So this is final bedroom, and again it has 2 fitted wardrobes. If you're interested, please do get in contact with Webbers.